In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mirror any object, graphic, or photo horizontally or vertically, and you'll understand what each option does, so your layout looks intentional and clean. First, start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a moment to load so all the menus initialize properly. Flipping is a simple transformation, but it's most effective when your document is ready and you can clearly see the canvas and the objects you plan to work with. Next, open an existing document or create a new one. If you're starting fresh, choose a page size that matches your project. If you're working with an image file, place it into your document so it appears on the canvas. The key is to have your content visible and selectable before you move on. Now, select the objects you want to flip. Use the Select tool, the arrow icon at the top of the toolbox, then click the object once to select it. To select multiple objects, hold Shift while clicking each one, or click and drag a selection box around them. You'll see a bounding box appear. That's your visual confirmation that the selection is active. If your selection is complicated, zoom in a little to avoid grabbing the wrong item. With your object selected, go to the Object menu at the top of the screen. This is where Inkscape keeps the core transformation commands in one place. Make sure you still see that bounding box before you open the menu. If nothing is selected, the flip commands won't affect anything. Using the menu keeps the process precise and easy to repeat. Choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. Flip Horizontal creates a mirror image left to right, like reflecting across a vertical axis. Flip Vertical mirrors top to bottom, as if turning the object upside down across a horizontal axis. Inkscape flips the selection as a whole around its center, so if you selected multiple objects, their arrangement will mirror together. This does not rotate or resize anything. It simply mirrors the content. If you prefer visual buttons, look for the flip icons on the toolbar when the Select tool is active. They perform the same action. If the result isn't what you expected, press Undo to step back and try the other flip option. Once you're happy with the mirror, save your document so the change is preserved. That's all there is to it. Launch Inkscape, open or create your document, select your objects, go to Object, then pick Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical for a clean, accurate mirror every time.